Have you ever felt a song touch your soul? Music isn't just background noise or entertainment. It's a force that shapes our emotions, inspires our thoughts, and connects us to something far beyond ourselves. You know, there was a time when I thought music was just there, something to fill the silence. But one night, when I was feeling lost and more alone than ever, a simple song came on. A melody so gentle, words so honest, and it broke me, in the best possible way. For the first time I felt truly seen, understood, alive. Science actually backs up what so many of us feel. When music hits, our brains flood with dopamine, the same chemical that brings us joy and pleasure. It washes away stress by lowering cortisol, and sometimes just a single melody can bring back memories as vivid as yesterday. That's why one song can make you cry, and another can make you want to dance around your room like nobody's watching. But even deeper, music has always been a bridge to the spirit. Across cultures and centuries, it's been there in rituals, healing, worship, any moment where people needed to reach for something bigger than themselves. When words fail, music speaks. It comforts us in grief, lifts us when we're weary, and reminds us that we're connected to the divine, to something that lasts. Music connects us in ways nothing else can. Think about it, a concert, a church choir, even strangers singing around a campfire. For a few minutes we put aside our differences and just feel. Songs have sparked movements, united millions, and even changed the course of history. We shall overcome. Imagine. Those aren't just songs, they're anthems for hope, for unity, for soul-deep change. And music is healing too. In therapy rooms, hospitals, and senior homes, music helps people find peace, manage pain, and even unlock memories that seemed lost forever. It gives voice to those who can't speak. It calms restless minds. Whether you're battling depression or just searching for a moment of quiet, music becomes a lifeline to something better. And today, technology is changing how we experience music: AI compositions, immersive soundscapes, virtual concerts. But the soul of music, that never changes. Wherever you are, whoever you are, music is always there to remind you that you're alive, that you're connected, that you are never truly alone. If music has ever touched your soul, drop A in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe for more conversations that go deeper than words.